8 money-making tips for teenagers that include some valuable life lessons. When you're a teenager or just leaving college, you have a lot of time in your hand that you can easily invest in multiple different things. You're young and full of energy, so make sure you use your time and effort wisely. In this video, we have put together 8 of the best ways to start at young age and start making money and building skills. 1. Learn to budget and save. The first step towards financial independence is learning how to manage your money. Understand the concept of income and expenditure. Track your income, list your expenses, and see where your money is going. Allocate a portion of your earnings towards savings and stick to it. Apps like Mint or Pocket Guard can help you manage your budget and savings goals. 2. Freelance your skills. If you have a particular skill set, such as graphic design, writing, coding, etc., you can sell your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Build a portfolio showcasing your work. Remember to communicate professionally with clients, meet deadlines, and always ask for fair compensation for your work. 3. Start a small business. Identify something you're passionate about and explore how you can turn it into a business. It could be anything from selling homemade crafts on Etsy to starting a local dog walking service. Running a business can be challenging, but it's an excellent way to learn about marketing, customer service, and financial management. 4. Work a part-time job. Look for part-time jobs in your local area. These could be in retail, restaurants, or local businesses. Besides earning money, you'll gain work experience, learn about responsibility, teamwork, and work ethics. Moreover, if you can find a job related to your future career goals, you'll have a head start. 5. Sell items online. If you have unused items at home, you could sell them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This will not only earn you some money, but also teach you about assessing the value of items, negotiating prices, managing online transactions, and understanding buyer psychology. 6. Invest in stocks. Investing in the stock market is a great way to build wealth over time. If your parents consent, you could open a custodial account and start investing. Remember to do your research, understand the risks involved, and don't invest more money than you're willing to lose. You could use investment apps that are user-friendly for beginners, like Stash or Robinhood. 7. Learn coding. In this digital era, knowing how to code can be a lucrative skill. Learn coding language like JavaScript or Python. You could offer your coding services for website or app development. Websites like Code Academy and Khan Academy offer free coding lessons. Coding helps in developing problem-solving skills and opens up many opportunities. 8. Intern or volunteer. While internships or volunteering positions might not always pay, the experience, skills, and contacts you gain are immensely valuable. Look for opportunities in fields you're interested in, be it non-profit organizations, tech startups, or local businesses. This can be a stepping stone towards understanding the professional world and carving your career path. Remember, while you're still a teenager, it's crucial to find a balance between making money and focusing on your studies, hobbies, and personal growth. Take this time to explore different areas, learn new skills, and find out what truly interests you.